Welcome to Box of Learning, a complete school learning channel. Subscribe us and hit the bell icon button for more videos. Let's start. Alphabet. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for red. S for spoon. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thank you for watching.